Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Mini Countryman. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mini has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, window defogger, and power sunroof.